When I look at the pictures of Mao Zedong, I see a man who loves swimming, drinking his coffee, and also writing his ideas. And he liked to remain informed by reading newspapers, and also liked to remain active by playing ping pong. He also had some bad habits like smoking, and surprisingly, he liked taking selfie like people of digital age. He also liked dancing in the company of ladies, in the company of his friends, and also liked to relax at his personal time and communicate with the people. He was committed to a political change by inspiring youths and armed struggle and spreading revolution. He also engaged in power politics, but he was also open to engage with his opponents. But Mao Zedong is blamed for some terrible things, such as the Great Famine of China. Oh, the question is, what is the Great Famine of China? The Great Famine of China is the death of 15 to 55 million people because of the shortage of food from 1959 to 1961. The shortage of food caused by a change in agricultural method. So what was the change? The change was the collective farming. And collective farming was as a result of introduction of commune system that was an industrial management of farm production. Many cooperatives formed a commune, typically around 60 villages and 20,000 members. Obviously, land and factory is two different things. Managerial cost, lack of infrastructure and knowledge, and vestiges at communes, combined with ecological mistakes such as mass killings of birds, combined with droughts, resulted in less production of crops. Another thing that Mao is blamed is cultural revolution. And the purpose of cultural revolution was to preserve communist revolution by purging those people who were considered um, religious, traditionalist, and capitalist. Despite the initial hardship of Mao's China has been successful at fighting poverty. Around 600 million people were taken out of extreme poverty. Mao can be criticized for many things, but Mao's revolution rejuvenated ancient China. Thank you for watching.